Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm planning to show you how you can add star rating or how you can customize the star rating using Judge Me app into your Shopify store page, main home page or the product detail page. So let's get started without delay. Let's get started. So before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips, and also make sure that you are watching this video at the very end. So after installation of the Judge Me app and the admin panel, you can just click on settings and go to the widgets area. Here you can see some star rating badge to customize. So you can just keep click on that and you can just click on install button, or like you can just go to app section area like on clicking install. Now I have already added some stars over here. I will remove this and will show you how you can create similar things into your store. So if you are planning to have these stars to be placed below the product detail page or in the product detail page just below the product title, you can just click on the add block and go to the app section. Now you can choose the star rating over here. So the star block has been created here, and we can drag this block just below the title of the product. Now you can see that the stars has been created here. Now you can just keep this as saved, and also let's go with the star rating text like this, and star rating text if there is no reviews you can just show as the no reviews, and you can also show the text and stars or only the stars. You can just customize the text like this, and also you can just have the color of the star to have like this. There is a color palette showing up here. You can just choose any like if you want, and I'm just keeping the star rating as like a red kind of a color. And yeah, I'm just choosing this, and there is some advanced block properties or display properties like hide the widget if the product has no review, or always show the widget. I'm just going with always shows the widget, and number of stars to be 5 to be the default one, or yeah, I'm just keeping the show text 10 stars always as this. And like yeah, that's how you can just customize the star rating and add the star badge to the product detail page. So after adding, you can just save it and go to the online your online store whether it's working or not. Let's test this up, and I'm opening up a product detail page. You can see the color and the star badge has been created here with the text as one review. This is a very simple one to have. So while you are waiting for, just try the star badge into your store using Jujme app for now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.